All right, so I'm gonna try to do this one hand. All right, my name is Bragan Whittington. I'm here on Greg Bietz. He's the insured. We're doing this for State Farm. We already ordered an RLS. Now what we're gonna do is ship this off for a lab result. Okay, so first I want to take note of what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be taking a shingle out. In that process, I'm going to document any failures, any damages to the surrounding shingles. Okay, so this is the area that I want to take the shingle out. Okay, now whether there's granule loss, whether there's shingles around it becoming damaged in the process of removing one, that will show you if there's any creases or any manipulation that ends up happening when taking this shingle out. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I need to unseal the shingles so that way I can get underneath and find the fasteners. Okay, so I want to find it under here. I haven't touched these yet. As you see, they're still sealed down pretty tightly. All right, pretty tight. So let's go ahead and unseal these so we can find out the shingle we're going to be taking out. All right, seems like this one will end. Now remember, I need to unseal the top two and bottom one, and then one on each side. Okay, so that way I can get underneath properly and unseal them. Okay, so this is the one we're going for. I don't know where it ends yet. All right, so it ends right here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. This is our shingle that we're going to be taking out. So let's go ahead and mark this. Okay. So this is the shingle we're going to be taking. All right. Now remember, I have to unseal the top two, bottom one, and then one tab to the sides. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started so I can take this shingle out and send this in for a lab result. Already, let me go ahead and document. As you see, mat transfer on the top one, once more, and on the top one, third time's the charm, right? Okay, so we're gonna document that. This is just to take the shingle out. I've not even gone underneath the shingle to take the fasteners out. So I have mat transfer, okay? So that's what we're doing here. This is what's going on. All right, so then I need to take more mat transfer. Okay, I've not even started on trying to take this shingle out yet. Hopefully my phone doesn't overheat in the process of while doing this. The sun is blaring down. Okay, all right, now we're going to take one to the side over here and one to the side over here. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to go underneath. And we're going to pop these fasteners out. Now where you see mat transfer, these cannot be resealed. Okay, so let me just go ahead and make myself very clear on that. Okay, so while State Farm is taking its time on assessing this removal of this shingle,